using the app at the moment, but our app. Gary here, welcome back or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you we do tech reviews of cool tech like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're going to start a review of the Hohem iSTEADY M6 kit. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about this gimbal. It was launched quite a long time ago, so is still worth it in 2024? Let's find out. Looking at the price, the Hohem iSTEADY M6 kit has a price tag of £209. In UK. For the US, the price tag is $159. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Looking at the box, it's quite big. Let's see what we have inside. So, you have a nice carrier case. Inside, you have the manual, then two cables, one USB-C to USB-C for charging your phone when using the gimbal, and one USB-A to USB-C to charge the gimbal. You have a small tripod and the gimbal itself. After that, the most important part of the gimbal, in my opinion, the AI vision sensor. Looking at the gimbal, the Hohem M6 is a smartphone-only gimbal designed to get you up and running very quickly because there is no need to balance the roll axis. The M6 has a payload of 400 grams, great for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. The gimbal itself weighs 551 grams and is made of high-performance composites. Feels really good quality in my hands. The Hohem M6 comes with one 2600 mAh battery, lasting you up to 18 hours if you don't use the AI tracking. With the AI tracking and the field light on, you are looking at 6 to 8 hours, plenty for a shooting day, I would say. Charging the gimbal will take you around 3 hours. Let's have a look at the gimbal more in detail next. At the front, you have a 0.91 inches OLED display, where you can see all the information regarding the modes, battery level, and so on. You have a joystick and a shutter button that also has the zoom on it. And above that mode button. On the left side, you have a multifunctional control wheel and the A and B buttons for motion. On the right side, you have a USB-C port for charging, the power button, and one UNC port so that you can screw another handle if you want to. At the back, you have the pan axis lock and the trigger. At the bottom, you have another UNC port where you can screw your tripod. The Hohem M6 works with the Hohem Joy app without any problems. I have reviewed this app on past gimbal reviews from Hohem, so I will not talk about this app on this review. Just to mention that the object tracking, you will need the app, but for AI tracking, you don't need the app at all. Let's do some testing next. As you guys can see, he's on recording now, and if I do like that, it stops, but if I do this, here we go, it's following me. So yeah, really cool feature. And the best thing about this one is that it's not part of the app. So as you can see, I'm using the app at the moment, but you can use your camera app and still record with AI follow, as you can see, or AI tracking, whatever you want to call it. It's a really cool feature. Sorry if the way I'm speaking, but it's really cold outside today. So yeah, really cool. And even if you are fast, look, he will follow you. He never loses you. He tracks you so well. Look at this. So I'm here on a corner. So let's see if I get out of. Okay. And if I come back, he get me straight away. So if I get out, he loses me. But if I come back, that's it. Yeah, it works really well. So if you are fast, it's okay, but if you are too fast, he will lose you. But the good thing is, he loses you, but as soon as you come back in frame, he locks you again. Really cool. And as you guys can see, it's easy as turning the gimbal on, turning the AI on, do the OK sign, and it locks in your face. Then if you want to stop it, just do it like that, and it stops tracking you. And turn around. You can change the way it records, so you can have the motors on the back or the motors on the front, as you guys can see. And then turn around. So if you press 4 times, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, it changes where the motors are. So it could be good to do like a very cool slow motion on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and goes back like that. And then 1, 2, 3, like we said before, and he's filming you. And you can do the same, and goes back there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like it to have the motor in front, because you can go and do whatever, and this here will never gonna be on your frame. Okay, you're gonna ask now, yeah, but TikTok is filming vertically and you are filming horizontally. Okay, so you have to do that manually. So this gimbal is not able to swap from horizontal filming to vertically filming. Okay, so let's do it manually now. You turn it off. So with the gimbal off, you have to grab the phone, put your phone in your pocket, and you have to turn it sideways. Okay, and as you can see, you put it like that, and you put it on your gimbal. Swap the AI around, and let's see if it stays. So as you can see, you may need to adjust. So let's see if it stays first time without adjusting anything. It does indeed. You are recording something, and then you want to talk with your followers. 1, 2, 3, and comes back to your face, and you can speak with your followers, and this is really good for engagement. And then when you finish, you go back to filming wherever you are filming. How stable is the gimbal? Here we go. It seems quite stable to me, in my opinion. And here we go. Got the camera there, Sony. And let's suppose that you want to show my face now. Here we go. You want to show my face now, and here is my face. Go back. Yeah. So it is very much, in my opinion, one of the most stable gimbals that I have. And I have pretty much loads of gimbals, but this one is really stable. It's so easy to use, so easy to use, and it feels good in your hand. It feels like really good quality in your hand, and yeah, I really like it. It's plastic, like all the other gimbals, otherwise it would be too heavy anyway. So yeah, but it feels good on your hand, and has all the bells and whistles that gimbal should have. Like I said, the focus wheel, yeah, have a small, cover my face. It has a small LED screen here. You can charge your phone at the same time. So let's turn the AI on, and let's do the same. So with AI on, let's do, yeah, so it's following me now. So I can walk, and oh, hang on, sorry guys. Let's take it off from here. 3, and let's go. Yeah. So as you guys can see now, so I'm talking to the camera, and it has the AI following me. So no matter what, sometimes when you are talking and you don't have the screen to see yourself, or you're filming with the back camera, sometimes you get out of frame. Here it doesn't happen because the AI is following you. So you, no matter what, you're going to be always in frame because the AI camera will follow you. So really cool. and you can talk and have an amazing video and an amazing interaction with your followers just using the AI. Yeah, so I feel that this gimbal is the only gimbal that you need if you only use a phone to record you. So if you film with cameras, with phones, with GoPros, things like that, you need the big brother. So it's exactly the same of this one, but we will work with our cameras. The iSTEADY M6 is a great gimbal, and its pistol grip shape enables you to carry your smartphone comfortably. Has a great battery life and is so easy to use even if you don't know nothing about gimbals. The AI tracking is amazing and works without needing to use the Hohem app. If you are looking for your first smartphone gimbal in 2024, the Hohem iSTEADY M6 will do the job nicely. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the iSTEADY M6 gimbal. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description. Please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. With this said, Iago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.